Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived children who were very curious about the moon. Every night, as the moon shone in the sky, they would dream about it and try to understand what it was like. One night, just before falling asleep, one of the children had a dream. In the dream, they found themselves flying towards the moon. Upon arrival, they encountered a landscape surrounded by soft soil and bright stars. The moon was even more enchanting and mysterious than they had imagined. In the dream, the child boarded a moon rover and began exploring the surface. As they moved along with the rover, the child saw craters, mountains, and valleys on the moon's surface. The child remarked, "Just like we learned in school, these craters were formed by meteors hitting the moon." Later, the child saw a small flag on the rover. The child remembered, "This marks the spot where the first humans set foot on the moon." In the continuation of the dream, the child embarked on a quest to find water on the moon. With the help of the rover, they headed towards the poles of the moon. There, they discovered ice deposits beneath the surface. The child thought if there's life on the moon in the future, these ice deposits could be a water source. At the end of the dream, the child looked at the magnificent view of the stars and Earth as they departed from the moon. The Earth, with its blue and white colors, looked stunning from the moon. The child said, "We must never forget how special and precious our Earth is.